In this tutorial, let us see how payment method can be added in WooCommerce Invoices. You can begin by downloading and installing the WebToffees PDF invoice, packing slip, delivery note, shipping label for WooCommerce plugin. On activating the plugin, navigate to the invoice packing from the WordPress menu. Move on to the invoice settings window. The plugin offers several features for configuring invoice with provision to create invoice number, customize, and insert additional order or product metadata. It is in the Customize tab where you get various options to configure the look and feel of the invoice. You can create new invoice templates from existing layouts. Each layout differs in its appearance and arrangements of elements and its constituent colors. When you look at the invoice template, you can see several relevant information like the shipping method, tracking information, invoice number, order number, etc. are displayed in the invoice by default. Also, there are toggle buttons incorporated to enable or disable an item from the invoice. As in when an item is disabled, it disappears from the view panel. Scroll down the side panel, you can see the payment method option. As seen before, you can even choose to enable or disable it. Expand to modify the label. Key in an alternative label in the text area provided. You can also insert the paid stamp on your invoice by enabling the payment received stamp toggle. Let's have a look into an invoice with payment method included in it. That is it. You don't actually have to do any specific settings to get the payment information displayed on your invoice. Just by enabling the plugin's invoice option, all the relevant information pertaining to the invoices are added into it by default. Hope you have understood how easy and user-friendly the plugin is to make custom changes. Do check out our other tutorials to get a deep insight into the various other features offered by the plugin. Keep watching.